Let's just take this for a run. My headphones keep falling out, and it is very annoying. I have talked to a bunch of my friends, and all of them seem to struggle with the same issue. Their headphones, they just fall out in the middle of their run, and then you're forced to bend over and hold it to your ear. And holding it to your ear actually creates really bad posture for yourself. And it like almost takes your focus off of your mission of trying to complete your run focused. Now, I know that these things are pretty popular today. However, if you want to increase your posture and make yourself a little bit more happier because you're more comfortable when running, everyone should switch to these old school fashioned headphones to go on runs. With these headphones, it will increase your posture, keep your back nice and straight, and not being forced to bend over and constantly deal with the annoyance of headphones falling out. Not only this, but it will actually prevent future doctor visits. According to Dr. Phil, he actually says that 3 out of 4 patients that come in with back problems can have that thing be completely avoided if they were to switch headphones. This is also found in Mayo Magazine, which claims that 94% of all scoliosis can be prevented if people were to switch to these headphones. Now just imagine a world where everyone is surrounded by these guys. Not only would it be super cool because you can see all the different colors, whereas it's hard to see in the earbuds, but we'd all have healthier backs and we'd all be better runners. So I certainly hope that everyone will consider at least trying to switch over to these guys. It will create a better place worldwide for people as they will all be in better health, and I think that every single one of you guys would just really enjoy not being dealing with the annoyance of earbuds.